Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Mentimeter, which is a very nice presentational software that you can use in your everyday life. We are going to talk about what it actually is, what it covers, also the pricing plans, and we'll try to sign up to show you how it looks from inside. So we'll do a little bit job for you. So let's start. Mentimeter presentation software not just comes with essential presentation features, but also brings audience response feature. With the help of this software, doing offline presentation and offline editing are also possible. Videos and audio can be added to the presentation. It supports collaboration among team members. Mentimeter comes with a content library, search and zooming facility, templates, and animation features. To gather and measure audience response appropriately, the software comes packed with suitable features like feedback collection, PowerPoint integration, live results tracking, and gamification. Through Q&A's feature, their queries can be responded on an instantaneous basis. They are located in Sweden, so it's a European-based company, and it's made mainly for small, medium, and large businesses, but individuals can use it as well. You don't only can use it in your web browser, but also you can install it into your computer, and also there is an app for Android and iOS as well. So what it all cost? At the moment, we have the prices that are for basically everybody, not only for the educational purposes. For educational purposes, you're getting a huge sale. But give everyone a voice with a plan that's right for you. Also, you have a free one for trying it out, unlimited audience, unlimited presentation, up to 2 question slides, up to 5 quiz slides. Then Basis, which is $11.99 a month. Then Pro, which is also recommended, $24 a month. And then the Custom. If you consider yourself as a part of big enterprise and the Pro plan doesn't suit you, or you want to squeeze some nice deal, you can ask for a quotation. Obviously, with enterprise level, everything is fully maxed and unlocked. So yeah, especially towards, as you can see, the themes option. So let's go and try the free one. There's a couple of options how to get in. First one is to use your email, very secret password, and first and last name. Then sign up. But you will have to wait for the confirmational email that can come in a couple of seconds, minutes, or sometimes hours. But there's this option for sign up with Google, which I strongly recommend. You don't have to wait for a verification email, and easily you can get in. Where will you use Mentimeter? For work, education, or other? Let's start for work. Then, what are your main goals using Mentimeter? Let's go with training and education, but you can choose multiple questions. Then, yet again, you are asked to, if you want to, buy it with subscription, but we want to continue free. Here we can start creating the graphs, videos, anything you really want to. But let's go and focus on the left side with your presentations. Then we have a template and branding and colors. Then easily top right corner, yet again, you can easily check the pricing. Then this was new window, or if you need help, you can ask it here. And top right corner, setting, billing, find my team, team settings, and team members. but that's a part of a enterprise level package. So let's go with the new presentation. So easy, you can't really not find it. And here is a new slide or import. You can take a short tour. Okay, go with the new slide, and then multiple choices, world, cloud, open-ended, scales, ranking, Q&As, also quiz, competition, content slides, advanced questions. With simple choice, as you can see here, we can fill it out, test. Okay, let's go like, do you like tutorials? And on the top, you see the audience or the promo code that you can easily copy paste. Option 1, yes. Option 2 is no. Don't know yet. Easy. Easily you can add more fields. You can destroy the field. Also, you can add a photo or any types of image you really want to. You can use bars, donut graphs, pies, or dots, which is somehow confusing, but yeah, whatever. You can, with extras, show the correct answers, show results in percentages, or let participants choose multiple options. On the top right corner, you can always present it. Very nice. And also open a Menti mode and preview the presentation. So you can skip the tour. And yeah, do you like tutorials? Let's go yes and submit. And automatically you can see how it works. It's already translated into your graph that you previously selected. Very easy. Then you can add a new slide where you can have, for example, scales. In the new slide, you can have, I don't know, some kind of image. This looks way too much like Slovakia. Probably it's Sweden, but yeah, whatever. And it looks like it can also work as some kind of survey manager, not only a presentation software. But yeah, we always like the multiple choices. Other than that, it's super easy to use. You don't really need to train your employees, especially hard for this software. It should come to them pretty natural. And yeah, you can save money that way. And yeah, just like that, you can create your own surveys, your own presentations, and anything you really need to. If you have some kind of questions about Mentimeter, how to get a grasp of it, or if something's not clear, how to get a demo, or your confirmation email is not coming and what to do in that cases, please let me know in the comments and I'll try to find you a solution for that problem. Or if you have anything else to ask, please leave a comment. I'll get back to it. I already created iSolved option, which is competitor to Mentimeter, but in my opinion, Mentimeter works way better. So yeah, guys, I would love to end it here. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. You can check more videos on my channel. And yeah, see you soon in different video. Hope you have a great day. Goodbye.